If you're dealing with joint stiffness, sore knees, or legs that swell after a walk, don't just blame aging. In many cases, what's really happening is collagen breakdown. This essential protein provides structure and elasticity to your joints, cartilage, and connective tissues. And when it starts to disappear, your mobility suffers. Millions of seniors experience constant pain, joint inflammation, and reduced flexibility. Yet most are unaware of the root cause. The body slowly stops producing enough collagen. Starting in your 30s, collagen levels drop by roughly 1% each year. By the time you hit 65, more than half of it may be gone. The good news? Your body can still produce collagen, but only if it has the right tools. And surprisingly, a few simple fruits can supply those tools quickly and naturally. This video reveals 8 fruits, ranked from least to most powerful, that can reduce inflammation, support collagen formation, and help you walk, bend, and move more easily, some in as little as 12 hours. These aren't untested theories. Each fruit listed has scientific backing and real-world results. The top fruit on our list has been shown to increase collagen density in skin by 24% and reduce knee pain in older adults by over 42%. These results came from consistent daily intake. Not medication, not supplements, just natural food. Before we begin, take a second to leave a comment. What fruit do you avoid eating, and how old are you? We read every response and love hearing from you. Let's begin with fruit number 8, kiwi. Don't underestimate this fuzzy little fruit. Kiwi may be small, but it's rich in nutrients your body needs to rebuild collagen, particularly in your joints and connective tissue. Kiwi is a vitamin C powerhouse. This nutrient plays a direct role in collagen synthesis, activating enzymes that link amino acids like proline and lysine into collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't make collagen, even if other nutrients are present. One kiwi provides over 70 milligrams of vitamin C, more than enough to fuel this process. In a clinical study from New Zealand's University of Otago, participants who ate 2 kiwis daily experienced a 31% boost in plasma vitamin C levels, improved joint range of motion, and less morning stiffness, all within a single week. Kiwi also contains antioxidants and actinidin, a unique enzyme that supports digestion. This means your body can break down food more efficiently, absorb nutrients faster, and deliver those nutrients to tissues in need of repair. Eat kiwi raw, preferably first thing in the morning when your digestive system is most active. If you can handle the skin, eat it too. That's where most of the fiber and antioxidants are concentrated. Try it sliced in yogurt, blended in smoothies, or simply enjoy it whole as a snack. For older adults with aching knees or joints that feel slow to heal, kiwi offers a natural boost to collagen repair and inflammation control. Number 7, pineapple. Pineapple is more than a tropical treat. It's a therapeutic fruit loaded with compounds that ease joint inflammation and promote collagen formation. The key ingredient in pineapple is bromelain, a powerful enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Bromelain helps reduce swelling and fluid buildup in soft tissue, especially around major joints like knees, hips, and ankles. It also supports protein digestion, freeing up amino acids needed to make new collagen. In a study published in Clinical Rheumatology, patients with osteoarthritis who took bromelain daily saw a 41% reduction in knee pain and inflammation within 30 days. Another study in Germany confirmed that bromelain matched the effectiveness of standard NSAIDs, but without the harmful side effects. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C and manganese, 2 essential nutrients for collagen production. Manganese helps activate key enzymes involved in forming the triple helix structure of collagen fibers. To get the full benefit, always use fresh pineapple. Avoid canned versions packed in syrup or frozen chunks coated with sugar, as they dilute the fruit's healing properties. Enjoy pineapple raw. Add chunks to salads or blend into a smoothie with leafy greens. Some people even mix pineapple with bone broth to create a joint healing combo. Consuming it early in the day helps speed up tissue repair, especially when paired with a nutrient-rich diet. Number 6. Papaya. Papaya is often overlooked when it comes to joint health, but it's one of the most effective collagen-supporting fruits you can eat. This soft, orange-fleshed fruit contains papain, a rare enzyme that breaks down tough protein chains into usable amino acids, the exact building blocks your body needs to make collagen. Papaya has more vitamin C than oranges, which helps hydrate and cushion your joints. As collagen drops, joint linings begin to dry out, resulting in stiffness and friction. Papaya reverses that process by supplying hydration, antioxidants, and amino acids to fuel new collagen growth. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that people who consumed papaya regularly for just 2 weeks had reduced knee stiffness and improved flexibility. The fruit also contains flavonoids in both its flesh and seeds, which have anti-inflammatory effects and enhance nutrient absorption. Some nutritionists even recommend blending a few seeds into your smoothie, just a few are enough, to get an added anti-inflammatory kick. Eat papaya when it's fully ripe. Mushy orange flesh is a sign that enzymes are active and ready to go. Add a little lime juice for extra vitamin C, or scoop it straight with a spoon. Avoid underripe or green papaya unless cooked. Make papaya a regular part of your post-walk or post-exercise routine to boost joint healing, increase collagen synthesis, and reduce inflammation. Number 5. Guava. Despite being one of the most powerful fruits for collagen production, guava is often overlooked by seniors, but it's a collagen-supporting giant, containing up to 4 times the vitamin C found in oranges. One guava packs more than 200 milligrams of vitamin C, which is double the recommended daily allowance for adults. That's enough to saturate your bloodstream with collagen-building fuel. In addition to vitamin C, guava contains lycopene and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect existing collagen from breakdown caused by oxidative stress. A 6-week clinical trial published in the Asia-Pacific Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that daily guava consumption reduced joint inflammation and improved skin elasticity in older adults. Researchers believe this is due to guava's ability to reduce free radical activity in connective tissues, allowing the body to focus on repair and recovery. Guava is best eaten fresh and raw. The skin holds extra fiber and nutrients, so don't peel it unless necessary. You can enjoy it like an apple, or add it to smoothies with other collagen-supporting fruits like kiwi or papaya. Avoid guava juices or processed versions that contain added sugars, which can promote inflammation. Including guava in your morning routine helps keep joints flexible, reduces swelling, and strengthens the connective tissues that support your mobility. Number 4. Blackberries. Tiny but mighty. Blackberries are loaded with compounds that protect your joints and help your body maintain and rebuild collagen. What makes blackberries unique is their high concentration of anthocyanins, the dark pigments responsible for their deep purple color. These powerful antioxidants not only reduce inflammation, but they also help prevent the breakdown of collagen by blocking enzymes that degrade connective tissue in aging joints. In a study published in Nutrients, older adults who consumed blackberries daily showed a 25% reduction in key inflammatory markers linked to joint degeneration. These compounds slow down the damage to cartilage in areas like the knees, hips, and ankles, where aging-related stress is most severe. Another study from Oregon State University revealed that anthocyanin-rich foods like blackberries help preserve collagen density, especially in weight-bearing joints. They also improve blood vessel function, which boosts circulation and nutrient delivery to your legs and joints. Manganese, found naturally in blackberries, also plays a key role. It activates enzymes that help form collagen's triple helix structure. giving strength and elasticity to cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. To get the most out of blackberries, eat them fresh and raw. Avoid frozen varieties with added sugar or syrup, which can cancel out their anti-inflammatory benefits. Add them to smoothies, sprinkle them over oatmeal or yogurt, or eat them as a snack. Taken daily, blackberries offer a convenient, natural way to reduce swelling and provide your joints with the support they need to rebuild. Number 3. Blueberries. Best known for their brain-boosting benefits, blueberries are also a top performer when it comes to supporting joints and collagen repair. Like blackberries, blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, which give them their rich blue color. These natural compounds not only fight inflammation, but also help repair micro-damage in cartilage, ligaments, and tendons. As collagen breaks down with age, your joints become more vulnerable to tiny tears and stiffness. But anthocyanins in blueberries help stimulate the body's natural healing processes and reinforce structural integrity. In a study published by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, seniors who consumed blueberries daily saw a 38% improvement in joint mobility and reduced lower body swelling after just 2 weeks. Researchers at the University of Maine also found that blueberry intake improved blood flow to connective tissues, which help supply more oxygen and collagen-building nutrients to the legs and knees. Blueberries are also high in vitamin C and manganese, both of which are essential for collagen synthesis. Plus, they help stabilize blood sugar levels, which is important for reducing joint inflammation caused by insulin spikes. For best results, opt for wild blueberries. They contain nearly double the antioxidants of cultivated varieties. Blend them into smoothies, mix them into whole grain cereals, or enjoy them as a fresh morning snack. Skip the processed options that come with added sugar or artificial flavors. A daily dose of blueberries can help your joints stay flexible, resilient, and pain-free. Number 2. Strawberries. Strawberries are more than just delicious. They're packed with nutrients that help block collagen breakdown and soothe inflamed joints. They're rich in vitamin C and ellagic acid, a natural compound known to protect collagen fibers by inhibiting enzymes that get activated during inflammation. These enzymes, called collagenases, weaken the very structure that supports your ligaments and cartilage. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that individuals with osteoarthritis who ate strawberries daily experienced a 37% drop in inflammation markers and a significant improvement in joint pain within just 2 weeks. Another clinical trial showed that strawberries also improved skin elasticity and slowed collagen loss in older adults. But this isn't just a beauty benefit. It reflects a stronger, healthier network of connective tissues under the skin. Strawberries also contain manganese, which helps enzymes convert amino acids into strong collagen strands. Like vitamin C, manganese is crucial for making collagen functional and resilient. Eat strawberries raw and fresh, preferably organic, to avoid pesticide residues. The green tops are edible and contain extra fiber and nutrients, especially when blended into smoothies. Avoid processed strawberry products like jams and desserts. They're usually loaded with sugar, which can worsen inflammation. 1 cup of strawberries a day is enough to give your joints the nutrients they need to repair, heal, and stay strong. Number 1. Amla. At the top of our list is Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry. This small, sour fruit is perhaps the most powerful natural source of vitamin C, and it's unmatched when it comes to restoring collagen and reducing joint inflammation. Amla contains stable, bioavailable vitamin C paired with unique plant compounds that increase its absorption. This means your body can use it more effectively and for a longer period of time than synthetic supplements or even citrus fruits. Amla also helps prevent collagen breakdown. It stimulates fibroblasts, special cells in your skin and joints that produce collagen, and suppresses enzymes that destroy collagen when inflammation is high. In a 12-week clinical study on older adults, Daily intake of Amla extract led to a 42% decrease in knee pain and swelling. Skin biopsies showed a 24% improvement in collagen density and flexibility. Evidence that Amla doesn't just relieve symptoms, it helps rebuild the structure that supports mobility. Amla also contains gallic acid and quercetin, compounds that help combat oxidative stress around the joints, especially after walking or exercise. Most people take Amla as a powder or juice because of its sour flavor. Mix a teaspoon of Amla powder into warm water with lemon and honey first thing in the morning, or take it as a juice shot on an empty stomach. You can also soak sliced Amla in salt water overnight to mellow the taste. Many seniors report relief within days. Less morning stiffness, reduced ankle swelling, and easier movement after standing or walking. If your joints crack, your knees swell, or your legs feel tight after just a little movement, that's your body signaling collagen breakdown. But now you know what to do. These 8 fruits do more than ease the symptoms. They help your body rebuild the underlying structure that keeps your joints stable, your legs mobile, and your movement pain-free. Every fruit on this list has been clinically studied and shown to reduce inflammation, support collagen formation, and improve joint health in adults over 60. And best of all, they're natural, easy to find, and safe for long-term use. Try adding 2 or 3 of these fruits into your daily routine. Within 12 to 48 hours, you may notice less stiffness, better range of motion, and lighter steps. Tell us in the comments, which fruit are you adding to your shopping list today? We'd love to hear from you. If this video helped, please share it with a friend or family member who might benefit. Joint pain doesn't have to be a part of aging, and sometimes the simplest solution is the most powerful. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next one.